Good afternoon, guys. Now we're going to repair a LJ. The outdoor fan motor in compressor is not working, but it has no error code because this is not digital. Now I will turn on the power to see. Okay, it's on. There's an indicator of the display. Fan motor is running. Now I'm going to measure the B plus of this. If there's a B plus, we'll use multimeter to see if it is working. Now it has 291 volts. It means okay. The line voltage goes same. And then we have to measure to the 15 volts of this, if there is. Now, it has a 15 volts, goes into the IPM. Now next move, we have to measure the crystal oscillator if it's working. We'll use oscilloscope. We'll see how many megahertz is this. We'll adjust. Now it is 10 megahertz input, while the output it's working to 10 megahertz. Now we will see the communication if it is working. Like this, so it's working the input of communication of the outdoor board. It is a receiver. Well, let's see the transmitter. It's working. So it's working. Now we're going to go to output of this input the output of the transmitter going to microcontroller of the outdoor board. If this working, we'll IC. So it is working. Input and output of transmitter and receiver of communication of the couplers. They are working. Now, the problem of this is IPM, because all the parameters are okay. We have to replace the IPM. Then we'll see after replacing. So guys, we have already taken out the IPM IC of this LG in outdoor board, but unfortunately we don't have a stock of this in my stock spare parts. We don't have stock. We need to order this spare part outside the country so that we can finish this, but it is a little bit longer to arrive. Upon the ordering, it takes 15 days. So we will continue this after inserting the IPM, and then we will test when this spare part arrives. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching of this video. I hope you have something to learn about this.